If you need an extra cup holder in your vehicle and a place to store things like your cell phone, parking tickets, a vape device, or just about anything else, you should take a look at this leather car storage box. This is the Malcolm car seat leather storage box. It is designed, this one is designed for the passenger side. There is also one that's available for the driver's side. Let's see, it slips down right here in the seat gap. And it has the bottle holder or cup holder on the front. The place here, like for change, which is really nifty, or other small items. And this compartment here to hold miscellaneous items and keep them handy. I personally don't have a need for a change holder since I don't really use coins much anymore, but it does have the coin holder. The compartment can be used for other things like earbuds or a USB cord. It does have a very attractive design. I like the black leather. It does come in some other different colors. One great thing about this car organizer is that it plugs up the gap in the seat. There was actually a device on Shark Tank called a stopgap or something like that. It was designed to prevent loose items from falling into the seat gap where they're very hard to get out. Let's take a look at the cup holder in the front. It just pops out like that. You can stick your water bottle right in there. I'm looking forward to using this because I could really use an extra cup holder. I only have 2 in my vehicle. And I am personally think this would be really great. I use a vape, and this is a great place to stick that in here. My cell phone, sometimes I'm fumbling around a place to put it. This would be a great place to slip that in. This would be really useful. You know what it's like to have the French fry or the gum wrapper that falls down in between the seats and you just can't get it out. This will be perfect. It's functional, blocks that hole, and it can be a storage device, so it's great. It's dark out right now, but I'm going to go ahead and take this out into the garage and put it in my vehicle so I can give you an idea of what it looks like in place. Well, I have it in the car now. It fits well right here. I like having this extra little storage compartment because only having these 2 cup holders, if I want to put something down, it's great to have something here. And no more fries or little wrappers or cell phones or anything falling in between the seat. This will be great. Check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.